My birthday present arrived a couple months early. So I'm gonna get her out of the box and set her up and see it then. Okay, I got the heavy part out. It's got all these parts and pieces. Binder. Sucker looks pretty tough. Strength. Nothing there. Take this side off. I didn't want to get a battery operated one because obviously they're more money. Well, let me put this down and see if I can figure it out. Okay, figured it out. Didn't have the right angle of the dangle. Okay, also got a leg kit. Where's the manual? Found it. Hardware. Gotta have, that must be this. It's gotta have a. You gotta watch. Instructions. Let's build this first. I have a bad habit of not reading directions. Probably should look at it. There's 4 thinner ones and 4 thicker ones. I would think they're these. These are a little bigger. Whoop. Surprised I don't have some kind of adjustment on this. Don't need 2 washers on this side. Doesn't quite show how this mounts. Doesn't show how this actually mounts. So what is this thing here? I'm gonna have to think on this one. Is that how it sits on it? This must be the carry thing. Still don't know what this is. Well, let me put the bolts in. I'll get it out of the way. Well, I'll be darned. This don't fit. Maybe I need to turn it around. I don't know whether that'd do any good, but let's try it. Looks like it might fit. Okay, I got it all mounted. This is a little thing. Okay, that's the fence guard, or fence guard, whatever it's called. Where is it? Let me figure it out. I need to read. Number of adjustments you have to do on this thing. This knob raises and lowers the blade. This one right here moves the fence, and here's the lock for the fence. Okay, I just spent about 5 minutes going through all this stuff, and the damn camera wasn't on. God. Anyway, this is the new one. There's the safety features. You got this blade guard. Kind of an overkill. You have adjustments for the fence, and you can see here, and you adjust that. You have to set it up first. The blades, the fence is rack and pinion. I think that's what they call that. Got gears, so it's pretty true, and it's not going to come out of square. There's no way for it to come out of square. If you're cutting something and you don't want to have your blade that close to the fence, this is the rack and pinion adjustment. This is adjustment. This is the brake. I've got to use 2 hands on this. This right here is the adjustment for the angle, which is, my old one has an actual crank. This one, if it has a crank, I don't know where it's at. This one, you just kind of got it set there, and when you're there, you can see you're at 0 degrees. I don't like that. Dang it. You don't have to do that much adjustment because it's usually straight. Here's the elevation, the blade elevation. Okay, there's a fine adjustment right here for this, and I did it with, I had all this stuff off and had this angle, and this isn't the one I used because this one's actually, man, how'd I cut that one up? I used the big one and got it where it was straight when it's on the 0. And this has this adjustment. I don't know if I covered that before, where you can actually see what the width is of your cut, and this actually you have a fine adjustment on it, where because it might not be perfect, so you just adjust it. Oh, here from here to here is 4 inches, and you make sure it's on 4 and you tighten it down. So that's it. It's got storage area. This right here is a knife that replaces this whole configuration if you want to do that. Over here, this is where the miter guide goes. The on and off, this is a lock. You just flip this down and you can't turn it on. Here to turn it on, you have pretty much there, and pretty easy to turn it off. Okay, this is the whole tracking system. This is to push the material through the saw. The whole tracking system just looks like it's a lot stronger. Has the wrenches that actually attach to this. This is for the vacuum. So I'm kind of anxious to see how it all goes. Let me show you what my old one is. This is my old one. Had kind of this same thing, only I never used it. This is what I don't like about the other machine, is this I could crank. Where this one, you can see it's coming up, straightening. This elevates the blade. You can see here's the, as I move in this, it shows the angle, the blade. Now that should be there. The bad part about this is the fence. It's just slides onto this groove here and a groove here, and you have to make sure it's even when you saw or you put your blade in the bind. This has the miter too. I'll have to find that. But it's been a good saw. This is the problem right there. And there's no way to upgrade that or make it better. So that's my new saw. That's my old saw. I think I'll see if I can maybe put it on Marketplace and sell it to somebody who could use it. That's it. Okay, that's the my new saw, my new DeWalt saw. And I've got a bunch of stuff I have to rip. So that's one of the things that I need to get that new saw for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, you can comment, you can subscribe, you can, what else can you do? I guess they got a hype. I don't know what a hype is, but whatever. You can do that, But anyway, thanks for watching, and peace.